Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get, use, and obtain the crafting recipe for the shack light and scrap mechanic. This is going to be especially useful if you want to decorate your house or a vehicle and need some kind of a light source. So to begin, first of all we can find it inside of these scrap villages, which you can find just by the road, and here you can find the shack lights. So just go ahead and grab them like if you're destroying a block. Now what you'll need to do is find a schematic bot, which you can find also on the side of the road. So just follow it until you find one. And now with the shack light in hand, just drag and drop it into this slot and press scan. And once it's done, just select unlock, and this is going to unlock the shack light schematic. Now you can craft it inside of the craft bot from some metal blocks, level 1, glass block, circuit board, and glue. And this is pretty much all how to get it. So make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.